In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic chart using Excel tables. We're going to keep this simple and practical. So by the end, you'll have a chart that updates automatically whenever you add new data. This is a great technique if you regularly track sales, performance, expenses, or any data set that continues to grow over time. First, open your Excel file and locate the data set you want to work with. Before creating the chart, it's important to turn your data range into an official Excel table. This is what allows the chart to expand automatically later on. To do that, select your entire data set, including the headers at the top. Then press Ctrl and T on your keyboard. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the table range. Make sure the option that says My Table has headers is checked, as long as your first row contains column titles. Then click OK. Your data will now be formatted as an Excel table, and you may notice filter arrows appear in the header row. That's a good sign that the conversion worked. Now that the data is in a table, you're ready to insert the chart. Click any cell inside the table so Excel recognizes the full table as your source. Then go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. From there, choose either a line chart or a column chart, depending on how you want to present your data. A line chart is useful for showing trends over time, while a column chart is great for comparing values across categories. Once selected, Excel will place the chart directly onto your worksheet. At this point, the chart is already connected to the table. To make use of the dynamic behavior, simply add new rows directly below the existing table. As you type in new entries, Excel automatically expands the table to include them. Because the chart is linked to that table, it updates on its own without requiring you to adjust the data range manually. This is what makes the chart dynamic. The chart is not tied to a fixed block of cells. Instead, it's linked to an Excel table. And Excel tables are designed to grow as new rows are added. That means your chart refreshes instantly as your data set expands, which saves time and helps prevent mistakes that can happen when editing chart ranges manually. And that's it. With just a table and a chart, you now have a simple, dynamic reporting setup in Excel that can grow with your data automatically.